So that's your hood mount and hood lock, and both fenders are good, no crack, no damage. That's your cabin air filter is good and secure. Engine air filter is good, no obstruction here. Intercooler secure with metal clamps, right? And radiator support is good. That's your oil filter. That's your fan blade, no blade missing, and both belts are good attention, right? That's your turbocharger is good, no crack, no damage. That's your starter is good, no crack, no damage. Then all hoses and wire, no crack, no damage. That's your hood grill and hood support is good, and that's your lighting wire, no crack, no damage. And then your frame, no crack, no damage, no leakage, no welding, right? And there's your leaf spring is well mounted, leaf spring, U-bolt and shock absorber, no crack, no damage. That's your tie rod, this one, small one. Tie rod is secured with castle nut and quarter pin. That's your brake chamber, slack adjuster, right? That's your ABS one. This one, red one is ABS, and this one air hose, no crack, no damage. And then your inside brake drum cover with dust cover, right? Brake drum cover with dust cover, and brake chamber and slack adjuster.
And no less than brake shoes.
Brake shoes no less than quarter inch.
Quarter inch.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is, we don't have to pull it, but you have to pull it, it's a half to 3/4.
Yeah.
Okay. Then that should be 3.2.
3.2.
Inside outside tire is good, inside outside bead is good, no leakage. The rim is good, all the lug nut tight and secure. Hub, we can say level is good, no leakage, and air valve cover with the metal cap. Hood mount, hood lock, no crack, no damage, and both fender, no crack, no damage. Windshield washer need to be 3.2. No, sorry. Windshield washer need to be minimum 75%. Okay. Then your coolant level is good, cap is secure and tight, right? And that's your air hose. All the air hoses are good. And this valve is good, no crack, no damage. Safety valve is good, no crack, no damage, right? And that's your fuel pump, and this one your ECM and engine oil filler, and that's your dipstick. Take it out, clean it, put back in, right? And in your engine head, no leakage here. Then your radiator is good, and support is good, right? Intercooler secure with metal clamp. That's your alternator, and AC compressor is good, and both belts are good, secure, no crack, no damage. And fan blade is good too, right? And this fan blade is good, right? And then your hood grill and hood wire support, no crack, no damage. And then your lighting wire, no cut, no damage, right? Then we cover everything from here. Then steering shaft, no extra play, and steering fluid level is good, right? And steering components are good, no crack, no damage. And then your leaf spring well mounted with a U-bolt on axle and shock absorber, no crack, no damage. Then your tie rod is secured with castle nut and quarter pin. So this is one. There is number 2 here, number 3, and number 4. Here is number 4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. But 4, not 5.
No 5 in this one.
Okay.
Then we covered this one, ABS wire, air hose, no crack, no damage. Brake chamber, slack adjuster are good. Brake drum cover with dust cover. Inside outside tire is good. Inside outside tire bead is good, and tire pressure is good. Thread 3.2. Rim is good, no crack, no damage. All the lug nut tight and secure. Then your hub, no leakage, level is good. And then the last air valve cover with the metal cap. And we close the hood. Turn on the light. That's it. Turn the light on. Yeah.
Here is.
Oh.
I don't know in
I'll
this.
show you. Okay. Come. This is the light.
Okay.
Is on, and there's an high beam and you put left signal.
Let's see. Okay.
Come outside. Okay. View 360, right? Sunriser and wind riser. No crack, no damage, and all the clearance light is working. Windshield, no crack, no damage, and wipers are in rest position.
Mm-hmm.
And then hood is mounted and secured, right? And then here all mirrors, no crack, no damage, right? And then your hood grill is good, and student driver sign is on, and then you can check the hood.
Mm-hmm.
It's locking, and your left signal is working, and right marker light is on, and high beam is on, right? And license plate is well mounted, right? And
Mm-hmm.
your bumper is good, right?
Mm-hmm.
And no leakage down there. The left side of the hood is good, and mirror is no crack, no damage, right? And then side view mirror is good, and CVI sticker is valid.
Palette.
And door open, your weather strap, your door hinges, and door go up and down. No problem. And door close, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's your spool sign, and gross wear tail sign is present, and there is mirror, no crack, no damage. And that's your oil tank, and
Cap.
yeah, the cap is on, and strap is tight, right? And there is no fresh leakage, right? And that's your battery inside, and straps are on, and both belts are good, right? And then back of the truck inspection, stickers are present, muffler is present and well scored, and all hoses and wires well mounted, right? And your student travel sign is present, back mirror no crack, no damage, and all the reflective tape is present, and all the wind riser is present, and left signal is on, and battery works, we said it already. And catwalk, door leakage, and down there is air tank, one is this side, one is over there, and that's your cabin airbag and cabin shocks, no crack, no damage. And down there is a dry shaft is going, and dry shaft, U-bolt and differential and torque rod. And then your brake drum, both side brake drum and slacker adjuster, and both side leaf spring, U-bolt on axle and shock absorber, and both side airbag, there is no leakage, and both side fender is good, and your fifth wheel is pin is out, and lock is in, right? And then we can do tire, pressure is good, inside outside tire is good, no obstruction between there, inside outside bead is good, rim is good, hub seal is good, right? Hub seal is no leakage, and air valve is covered with a metal cap. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing here, and then your left signal is working, right marker light is on, and your mud flap both are present, and DOT tape is present, and then decal is present. Okay, and then here come here, your dry shaft, U joint and differential is good, and torque rod is good, right? And your brake drum are covered with, brake drum here are covered with dust cover, brake chamber and slack adjuster, right? And ABS wire, ABS wire, and that's your air hoses, or you say all hoses and wires, no crack, no damage, leave it. And that's your dry shaft, U joint, differential and torque rod, no crack, no damage. Both side brake chamber, slack adjuster, no crack, no damage, and both side leaf spring, U-bolt on axle, right? And shock absorber, and all the airbags, no crack, no damage. Now I'll go around and change the left signal, right signal, and low beam to high beam to low beam. Okay, you beat. Right signal is working, brake light is on. Pressure is good, and inside outside tire is good, inside outside bead is good, right? And no obstruction between the tire, alright? And the rim is good, all the lug nut tight and good, and no leakage on the hub. Okay, and air bottom covers the metal cap. Until the charger secure. Okay.
Toolbox.
Toolbox.
Tool это инструмент.
Instrument ящик.
Ah, you know Russian, Ukrainian.
Tank is present and well mounted and cap is tight. कितने का नंबर है?
Понятно, там уже сделал.